Okay. Good afternoon, all. We're about to start, but then in brief, I'll give you some details of what we did the last time. After that, we can continue. So the last time we were talking about number bases. So in regards to number bases, we looked at what number basis is all about. We said when it comes to number bases, we are looking at a numeral system. It's also called a positional notation system. And what is it? We are looking at methods of representing numbers using a finite set of symbols. So, for example, what you know currently has to do with numbers written in base 10. So we use 10 symbols to represent these numbers. So the last time we met, I was telling you that you cannot give me any number without using the digits 0 to 9. Once you start from 0 and then you end at 9, you are going to start all over again by combining two digits. That is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, in that order. So in any case, you are combining the digits which are within the range 0 to 10. And therefore, we say it is in what? Base 10. And then we use 10 symbols. So when it comes to base 10, 10 symbols are used. And then the digits or the symbols start from 0 to 9. The rest are repetition of those 10 symbols. So that is base 10. When it comes to base 9, 9 symbols are going to be used, and the rest will be repetition of those 9 symbols. So that is 0 to 8. When we say base 9, then we are saying that you don't repeat anything beyond 8. So if you are starting from 0 to 8, then you have to come back and start 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, and so on and so forth. So it means that you are going to end at 8, then you start all over again. That is base 9. So if you are going to base 8, it's the same thing, 0 to 7. So from 7, you start all over again, 1 0, 1 2, 1 1, in that order. So if you are going to base 7, the range is 0 to what? 6. 7 digits, 0 to 6. So when you get to 6, you start all over again. Base 5, it means that you are going to end at 4. Always, if you are looking at the base, then you should end at 1 digit to the base. So if I'm looking at base 10, I end at 9. If I'm looking at base 9, I end at 8. If I'm looking at base 6, I end at 5. If I'm looking at base 2, I end at 1. Is that okay? Is that okay? I'll need feedback from you. So look at base 10, the last time we met. The symbols that are in use are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you have to now start from 2 digits, 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, 1 9. Then 2 0, 2 1 in that order. Is that okay? So that is how base 10 works. So we looked at the use of bundles of sticks to teach base 10. So we are saying that when it comes to base 10, we are looking at you bundling sticks in tens. So if you are doing your counting and then you get to 10, you bundle the stick, then you start all over again. So if I have 1 8, which is 18 base 10, it means that I have one bundle of stick and eight pieces of the sticks. Is that okay? So if I have 2 8, it means I have 2 bundles of sticks which are in tens and then 8 pieces. Do you understand? Ariana, unmute yourself. If you have 38, what does it mean when it comes to bundles of sticks?
It means you have to type 10 sticks, 8, 10 sticks.
Okay. Zintel, if you have 4 8, what does it mean? Base 10. Ariana, you can unmute. You can mute. Ariana,
Okay.
you can mute.
Okay.
Zintel, 4 8 base 10.
Service, I don't understand.
We are saying that when it comes to base 10, the basic idea we are going to use throughout has to do with bundles of sticks. So it is a way of counting numbers such that when you get to 9, you start all over again. So if I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I don't continue. I come back and pick 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 8, 1 9, then 2 0. This way of counting numbers, we can illustrate it basically using bundles of sticks. So in the idea of bundles of sticks, if you have a lot of pieces of bundles of sticks, and then you want to carry it becomes difficult. So you can decide to tie them in tens. So if I have 18 pieces of sticks and I want to tie them, I'll tie 10. Then I'll have 8 pieces. So if I tie 10 and I have 8 pieces, it is 1 8 base 10. So all the time, if you have 2 digits, the first one is telling you how many bundles you have, while the second one is telling you how many singular pieces you have. So if you have 2 8 base 10, it means that we have 2 bundles of sticks which are in tens, then we have 8 pieces. Do you understand? Zinto, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So if you have 5 8, what does it mean?
Five bundles of sticks.
Yes, in tens. It should be in tens. And then how many singles?
8.
8. Very good. That is good. So you see this one. So this one, if I'm asking you this in base 10, what would you say about it? Check your screen.
2 bundles of sticks. And 9.
And what? And 9. So how do you
9.
say it in base 10? How do you say it in base 10? How do you say it in base 10? 2 9 base 10, because we have 2 bundles. Once it's 2 digits, the first one is always how many bundles do you have, and the second one is always telling you how many singles you have. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
So in this case, we have 2 9 base 10 because we have 2 bundles, 9 singles.
Okay.
Odelia.
Yes, sir.
So how would you say this in base 10?
3, 6, base 10.
So 3, 6 base 10 because you have 3 bundles of sticks and then 6 singles. Are you following? Now, when
Yes,
it comes to base 9, the idea is that we are going to end at 1 less than 9, which is 8. Then we start all over again. So if you move, the first number is 1, second 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't go to 9. Then you start all over again. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. You don't go to 9. So if we are looking at base 9, we don't want to see anything beyond 8 in your numbers. So if I want to check your work and I ask you to write 7 different numbers in base 9, I want to see digits which are within the range of 0 to 8. It means that you're going to use these number of words, digits, to write numbers. Is that okay? Is that okay? So if you come to the idea of bundles of sticks, if you come to 9, you bundle it, right? Because we are now bundling our sticks in 9s, not in 10s anymore. So any 9 we get, we bundle it, we tie it. Any 9 we get, we tie it. Any 9 we get, we tie it. So after 8, if you are going to 9, we will tie it. Don't forget that the bundles of sticks are the first digit when it comes to 2 digits. So once I have 9, I'm going to tie it. If I tie it, I have 1 bundle of 9. Then I have what? 0 singles. So in that case, you will say that one is what? 1, 0 base 9. So if I have 2 bundles of 9s and I have 3 singles, 2 bundles of 9s and I have 3 singles, that will be what? 2, 3 base what? 9. Do you understand? Do you understand? So the single digits in base 9 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then if you want to go to the double digits, after 8, you don't go to 9 because we don't want to see anything 9 when we are referring to base 9. So from 8, you go back to 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. This case, we don't call it 10, 11, 12. Is that okay? We call it 1, 0, base 9, 1, 1, base 9, 1, 2, base 9, 1, 3, base 9, 1, 4. In that order. Is that okay? I'm talking specifically to Rachel, Odelia,
Yes, sir.
Zintel. Do you understand? Zintel, do you understand? Zintel is off, okay. So let's proceed from where we stopped. So if we are looking at base 7, so what symbols are we going to look at? If you are looking at base 7, what symbols are we looking at? Odelia?
Okay, 0 to 6.
0 to 6. So after 6, where do we go to?
1, 0.
Good. In that order. So base 5, 0 to 4. Base 4, 0 to 3. Base 3, 0 to 2. Base 2, 0 to 1. There's nothing like base 1. If it's base 1, it means you're only going to look at 0. So it's from base 2 upwards. Is that okay? So now we are going to perform an activity. All of us, we're going to perform an activity. The activity is very simple and short. We are going to say numbers in some specific bases. So I'll start from, let's say, Pearl. Pearl.
Yes, sir.
So give us the first 10 numbers in base 5.
1.
1 is the first one. Follow. Good.
2.
3.
Good.
4.
1, 0.
Good.
1, 1.
Good.
1, 2.
Good.
1, 3.
Good.
1, 4.
Good.
1, 0, 0.
No, so 1, 4. You are down with 1. So you have to go to what? 2.
2. 2
Is that
0.
okay? 2 0.
Yes.
Yes.
2
So that
1.
is good. It's more than 10.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so Odelia,
Yes, sir.
let me try you with the first 10 numbers in base 4.
1,
Good. 1.
2, 3,
Good.
1 0,
Good.
1 1,
Good.
1 2,
Good.
1 3,
Good.
2 1,
2
2
0.
2,
2 0 before
2
2 1.
0,
2 0. Good.
2 0, 2 1,
2 1.
2, 2 3,
2 2.
3 0, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, and 3 0 0.
No.
No, 1
After 3
0 0.
2. Very good. 1 0 0. Then you go to 1
Mhm.
0 1, 1 0 2, 1 0 3, 1 0 4, 1 0 5, and so on and so forth, right? Rachel,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
okay, so give me the first 10 numbers in base 2.
1
Okay,
0.
come again. After 1, what did you say?
1 0.
1 0, good.
1 1.
1 1,
1 0 0.
1 0 0, good.
1 0 1.
1 0 1, good.
1 0 0 0.
No, after 1 0 1, you go to 1 1 0.
Okay. 1 1 0.
Good.
1
1 1 1.
1 0 0.
You are done with that. After 1 1 1, then you are done with all 3 digits. Then you go to 4 digits. 1 0 0 0.
All right, sir.
Then 1 0 0 1. Then
Okay.
1 0 1 0. 1 0 1 1. 1 1 0 0. It's very interesting. We're only combining 0 and 1 to write numbers. And mind you, this is the language that our computer accepts. Is that fine? Don't worry about naming them in order. We'll come to that part later on. So we are going to look at converting other bases to base 10. We are going to look at converting other bases to base 10. That is where we ended the last time we met. So if we are converting 2 3 base 9 to base 10, understand that if you are converting to base 10, the key idea is that you are determining how many unit digits you can get in the number, or how many single sticks when it comes to bundles of sticks. How many bundles of sticks will you need, or do you have in the number? So for instance, if you have 2 3 base 9, and then you are converting to base 10, using the idea of bundles of sticks, first you should understand what 2 3 base 9 means. So 2 3 base 9 here simply means that you have 2 bundles of 9s. Then you have 3 singles. Is that fine? So now that you know you have 2 bundles of 9s and then 3 singles, then now you ask yourself, how many single sticks can you get in 2 bundles of the 9s? In that case, if you are looking at single sticks, it should be 2 9s, which is 9 plus 9, which is what? 18. So it means that with the 2 bundles of 9s, you can get 18 singles. Then with the 3 singles, it's already 3. So if you add the 18 singles to the 3 singles, you should get 21, as you can see on the screen. Is that fine? So if you are converting 2 3 base 9 to base 10, we can look at a very simple way. We have 2 bundles of 9s, which means that how many singles can I get in 2 bundles of 9s? 9s, 2. And I'll give you what, 18. Then you can have 3 other singles. When you add them up, you get 21. The next example I have here is 4 5 base 6. You are converting 4 5 base 6 to base 10. Mind you also, when it comes to 4 5 base 6, then we are looking at, this is how the base is written. It's written down there as a subscript. If you can see my cursor, written down there as 6, the 6 there, subscript 6. That is 4 5 base 6. If you are converting to base 10, then very simple, we are asking you, how many bundles do you have? There are 4. And the bundles, how many pieces are in there? There are 6. The base is telling you how many pieces we tie as a bundle. So 4 5 base 6 means we have tied 6 as a bundle, and we have 4 of that. And then we have 5 singles, right? So if you are converting to base 10, then you are finding out how many singles do you have in all the 4 5 base 6. So don't forget that you have bundled 4, and each bundle is 6. So how many singles did you use? 6, 6, 6, 6. Which means 4 times 6, and that's 24. Then you have 5, which are already singles. So if you add the 24 to the 5, you're going to get 29 singles. So 29 singles will help you to have 4 bundles of 6 and then 5 singles. And that will give you what, 29 if you are converting to what, base 10. Very simple. So it's more or less like dissolving the bundles and then telling how many singles are in use. And that ends it for what we did last week. So I'll give you one to try right away before we start today's lesson. So I'll start from Ariana. You should get your books and then your pen, so you should be writing. That would help you more. Ariana. Ariana. If I have 1 7 base 9 and I'm to convert to base 10, what will be my answer? 1 7 base 9, I'm to convert to base 10. What will be my answer?
I didn't get what you are trying to
teach. Okay.
Yes, but I had
Right.
a practice.
Okay. Coming. Okay. So I believe you can see my screen. So you have 2 3 base 9. Can you see it? Can you see my screen? Mimi, can you see? Rachel, can you see?
Yes.
I've written 2 3 base 9. Can you see it? Is it showing?
Yes.
Okay. So if you have this 2 3 base 9, okay, It simply means that I have this first digit. There are two digits. The first digit is telling you how many bundles you have. And the second digit is telling you how many singles you have. So if I have 2, 3 base 9, it means that I have 2 bundles and then 3 singles. And the 9 here as the base is telling you how many pieces are in the bundle. So this one we have here means that I have 9 sticks. Okay, as the first bundle. And I have a different 9 sticks again as my second bundle, right? And I have 3 singles. And that is the 2, 3 base 9. Are you fine? So if you are converting from other base to base 10, the only thing they are asking you is that how many singles did you use to make 2, 3 base 9? So you know that these 2 here are bundles of what? 9. So you have 9 sticks, another 9, making it 2 bundles of 9s. And the 3 here is telling you just 3 singles. So in that case, how many singles we have in all? We have 18, and then we have 3. So that's 21 singles. Therefore, if I'm converting 2, 3 base 9 to base 10, my answer is what? 2, 1 base 10. I'm done. Do you understand? Do you understand? Mamli, do you understand? Ariana? Do you understand, Ariana? Any question? Any question? Any question? Okay, Rachel. If you are converting 6 to base 7 to base 10, what will be your answer? 6 to base 10, what will be your answer? Are you there?
44 4 base 10.
4 base 10. Explain for us to understand. Why 4 base 10?
It's so sad. The base 7 there is telling us how many bundles of
Okay.
we.
Okay.
So we have 6 bundles of 7, which is 42. Then 2
Okay.
singles. So when you add them, it's 4.
Exactly. That is as simple as that. So whatever we are just trying to communicate here is that I'm asking you to convert 6 to base 7 to base 10. So in that case, the major idea is that how many singles can you get in 6 to base 7? So you know that 6 is 6 bundles of 7 each. So I have one here. I have another one here. Another one here. I have 6 of them. 6 of them. And I have 2 singles. So in that case, these are bundles which are in 7s. So I have 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. There are 6 sevens. Basically, if you want to look at 6 7, that's 6 times 7. So that's 42 singles help us to get the 6 bundles. So if you add the singles 2 to 42, you get 44 base 10. You are done. Do you understand? Odelia.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3 2 base 4. 2 base 10. 3 2 base 4 to base 10.
1 4 base 10.
1 4 base 10. Yes, very simple. 3 2. So it's in base 4. So it means that you have 3 bundles of 4. And that should give you 12. And then 2 singles. So that's 14. Very simple. Zintel. Zintel.
Say.
3 1 base 5 to base 10.
I'm deciding here.
3 1 base 5 to base 10. We are converting 3 1 base 5 to base 10. What's the answer? Zintel. Zintel. Oh, she's gone offline. Okay. Kelvin. So what's your answer? 3 1 base 5 to base 10.
16 base 10.
Yeah, 16 base 10. Very simple, as simple as that. Do we understand? Mimi. She's also gone off. Okay. So let's continue. I believe you understand. Pearl, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Rachel.
Yes, sir.
Odelia, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kelvin, is it okay? As for this one, that's what we did the last time we met. So now let's come to the new lesson for today. We are continuing from where we ended. Okay. So we are continuing from where we ended. Today, we are going to look at how you convert a 3-digit number in other bases to base 10. Then how you convert a 4-digit number in other bases to base 10. Then look at how you convert a 2-digit number from base 10 to other bases. I'm not sure we'll get here. A lot of time. So we'll look at how to convert a 3-digit number in other bases to base 10 and a 4-digit number in other bases to base 10. So now, this time we are going to have 3 digits. So unlike what you just did, which has to do with 2 digits, now it's 3 digits. So now we have to understand what a 3 digits means. What does 3 digits that we have here mean? So when you have 2, 4, 5 base 10, it means that now when we are moving from this 4, 5, you know it is what? 4 groups of 10s and then 5 singles. So if it is 2, 4, 5, this one, before, when I get four bundles of 10s, if I have 5 bundles of 10s, if I have 6 bundles of 10, 7 bundles of 10, 8 bundles of 10, 9 bundles of 10, don't forget that in base 10, you don't want to go beyond 9. So the next one, which will be 10 bundles of 10, would now be the 3rd digit in front here. So if you have 10 bundles of 10, it means that 10s of 10, 10 times 10 in simple 10, which means what? 100. So the 2, 4, 5 base 10 here means that the 2 is now in the place of 10 tens, which is hundreds. Then the 4 here is in the place of tens, bundles of 10. And the 5 here is in the place of what? Singles. So 2, 4, 5 base 10 means that we have 2 groups of 100, 4 groups of 10, and then 5 singles. So if you have this, the picture I have here is telling you if you have 10 bundles of sticks. So you have 10. So you tie it in 10s, but if you have 10, you tie it again. So in this case, it is what? 100 singles. That will give you this. Then I have this one. So that means that if you have 10 tens, that will give you 100. So you have 200 bundles of what? Sticks in here. So if you go a step further, now I'm moving from base 10. I'm now coming to base 5. If I have 2, 3, 4 base 5, this 4, we all know it is what? 4 singles. As for that one, there is no issue with that. Then the 3, we know it is what? 3 groups of 5. For that one too, there is no issue with that. But the 2 is 2 groups of 5 5s. Is that okay? So 2, 3, 4 base 5 will mean 2 groups of 5 5s, 3 groups of 5s, and then 4 units. So if you are going to convert 2, 3, 4 base 5 to base 10, you need to decode what the 2 means. The 2 means what? 5 5s. When you have 5 5s, it means that you have 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 25. Or 5 times 5, which is simply what? 25. So 2 groups of 5 5s here means that you have 2 25s. Is that okay? Which means that the 2 here is 50. 25, 2, and that's 50. Then I have 3 groups of 5. You know it is 5 plus 5 plus 5. For this one, you know. The new one I'm adding here is the 3rd digit. Then you have 4 units here, which is 4. So in obvious terms, if you are converting 2, 3, 4 base 5 to base 10, the 2 will give us the 50, the 3 gives us the 15, and then the 4 is still 4. If you add up, you are going to get 69 base 10. Let me illustrate this for you to understand better. But do you understand? Pearl, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Rachel?
Yes.
Mimi?
Yes, please.
Okay. So let me give you one to try right away. So I'll give you some time. 1, 4, 5 base 6. We are converting 145 base 6 to base 10. 145 base 6 to base 10. Try it out. 145 base 6 to base 10. No, sir. No, it's not here. Okay. I want the answer from Mimi. Mimi, what's your answer?
Uncle, please, I'm not done.
Okay. Kelvin, what's your answer?
I'm also not done.
Okay. Odelia, what's your answer?
Sir, please. 101 base 10.
101 base 10. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Pia, what's your answer?
65.
Base 10. Okay. Rich, what's your answer?
65 base.
65 is 10. Okay. Mimi, are you done now?
Yes, Uncle.
What did you get?
35 base 10.
35 is 10. Okay. Kelvin, are you done now? Kelvin, are you done now?
Yes.
What's your answer?
I also got base 10.
I can't hear.
I also got 35 base 10.
Okay, 35 is 10. All right. So let's look at it. Let's look at it. So we are looking at 145 base 6 to base 10. Now, this 5 means 5 singles, right? And a 4 means what? 4 groups of 6, right? So if the 4 here means 4 groups of 6, then this one will mean 1 group of 6, 6. It means that when we tie the 6 from this 4, we had 6 of them, and then we have to retie that and come to this one. So it means that if you are watching this one carefully, it is 6 groups of what? 6. It means that you have 6 of 6, which is 36. Okay. Let's proceed. So this one here means that you have 6 of this 6. One of them, and that's 36. So if you come to the 4, it means that you have just 4 of the 6, and that's 24. You come to the 5, they are already singles, and that's 5. So you have 36 plus 24 plus 5. And that should give you 65. 10. Is that fine? Is that fine? Fedora, what's the error you made? Fedora. 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 Is she gone offline? I think so. Mimi, what's the error you made? Mimi. Hello. Mimi,
Yes, Uncle.
what's the error you made?
The first one.
Okay. Okay,
Uncle,
I see. You made that 6.
Yes, please. I still don't understand why it's supposed to be 36.
36. It's because we are saying that in every 6 we will tie, right?
Yes.
So if I put 6 singles together, I'll tie. And that's 6, right?
Yes.
If I tie 6 bundles, I have to tie again. Do you understand? We are tying in every 6. Is that okay? So if I have 6 singles, I have to tie. Then this now becomes a bundle, and this is the second digit here. Is that okay? The second digit here. But if I have bundles 6, 6, 6, I have 6 bundles, right? Can you see them? Can you see this?
Yes, please.
Mimi, are you there?
Yes, please.
So if I have 6 bundles, okay, if I have 6 bundles, this one, the bundles, I have 6 of them. And I have two singles. Ideally, you'd have written this as what? 6, 2, right? Agreed.
Yeah.
If you write it 6, 2, you see that we are dealing with base 6. You now have 6 here. So that makes it wrong. Do you understand? So once the bundles are getting to 6, they can no longer be under the bundles domain. We will tie them again. You see this one? We will tie this again to become what? Double 6. Is that okay? So in every 6, we will tie. In every 36, 6, 6, we will tie. Is that okay?
Yes,
Do you
please.
understand?
Yes, please.
So if you have this 36 to 6 of them, you will tie again. And that will be the 4th digit. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, please.
I will take Sandy. Do you understand? So if we are having 1, 4, 5. Hey, assembly. What is the 1, 4, 5 is 6. This is the 3rd digit. So in that case, it is 6 bundles which have been bundled. If you have 6 bundles bundled as 1, It means that even in the bundles, you have 6 singles. 6 singles will give you 1 bundle. And this 1 bundle, you have 6 of them. So it means that this particular space is what? 36. Is that okay? That's why it is 1 times 36. 36. Then 4 times what? This one is just bundle 6. That's 24. Then 5 times 1, and that's what? 5. So if I have 1, 4, 3, 1, base 5. The 1 here is in what? Singles, right?
Yes.
Then the 3 here is in what?
Tens.
No, what's the base? It's 5. Base 5. So it will be in what?
Base 5.
So it's in what? 5s, right? So
Yes.
this 1 here is 1 single. The 3 is what? 3 5s, right? And the
Yes.
4 is what?
M.
The 4 is what? Rachel. The 4 is what? Rachel, the 4 is what?
Please, 4 groups of 5 5s.
Come again. 4 groups of
5 5s.
5 5s. Yeah, so this 5s was up to 5. So we cannot bring the 5 here, so we brought it here. So it means that is 5 5s. That's 25. Maybe do you understand?
Yes, please.
So the 4 here is 4 times 25. How about the first one here? The 25 should go to 5. Is that okay? 25 should go to 5. So 25 5 will give you what? $25 5 should give you what? Odelia.
Yes, sir.
25 5 should give you what?
1, 2,
Come again.
1, 2, 5.
125. So 125 5 should give you 125. It means that this one here is in 125s. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So it means that if we are looking at 1 4 1 5 base 5, then it means that we are going to have 5 singles, right? 5 singles. Then we are going to have 1 of the 5s, which is 5 singles there. Sorry, I'm talking about 1 4 3 1 4 1 4 1 3 base 5. If I'm changing to base 10, I have to know that the 5 is giving me 5 singles, right? No, the 3 is giving me 3 singles. The last digit is always singles, right? Then the 1 here is the next one is in 5s. So that's what 1 5. 1 5. Which is just 1 5, right? Then the 4 here is giving me what? 5 5s. So that's 4 of what? 5 5s. And you know 5 5s is 25. So 4 of 5 5s is the same as 4 times 25. And that is what? 100. Then the last one is also going to give me what? 1 of 5 of 5 of 5s. So 5 of 5 of 5s is 5 times 5 times 5. And that is what? 125. So the one there is one of that. So 1 times what? 125. And that will give me what? 125. So in all, I have 125 singles, which is the first one I have. Then the 4 is going to give me, the 4 is going to give me what? 100 singles as we solved above. Then the 1 is going to give me then the 1 is 5, right? Then the 3 is 3, right? So if you add all of this, 225 plus 8, and that should be equal to 233. Is that okay? So it means that I'm changing 1413 base 5 to base 10. I'm going to get 233 base 10. Is that okay? Is that okay? Is it confusing? Is it confusing? Okay, so let's look at the next one. 126 base 8 to base 10. So it's very simple though. It's nothing difficult. That's that if these are in 8, this is in 8 8s. Is that okay? So the 126 will mean one group of 8 8s, 2 groups of 8s, and then 6 singles, right? So then the 1 here is going to give you 1 of 8 8s. So 8 8 is what? 64. So the one group of 8 8s is what? In 64s, right? So that will be 1 times 64, 64, right? And the 2 groups of 8s is giving you 2 times 8, 16. And the 6 units is giving you what? 6. Is that okay? So in that case, I'm going to add the 64, 16, and then the 6. And that gives you 86. We have converted. It's nothing difficult. Are we fine? Are we fine? Are we fine? So try this one for me. Let me see. Convert 243 base 243 base 7 to base 10. Let me see. Convert 243 base 7 to base 10. 243 base 7 to base 10. Mimi, what's your answer?
129 base 10.
Okay. Tell me, what's your answer?
I got 45 base 10.
Okay. Pearl, what's your answer?
129 base 10.
Rich, what's your answer?
9.
Adelia, what's your answer?
Sir, please 129 base 10.
Okay, so now it's only Kelvin. G3 who is left. Kelvin.
So I got 45 base 10.
Yes, you are making a mistake. So the 243, you have to understand that the 3, as for that one, it's easier because there are 3 units or 3 singles. Then the 4 is very simple. That's what They are in base 7. So four groups of 7. That's 4 times what? 7. And that should give you 28. 28 units. Then the 2 is 7 sevens. So 7 sevens is going to give you 49. So 7 sevens. So that's 7 sevens. And that should be 2 times what? 49. And that should give you what? 98. So in the last, so you're going to add 3 to 28, then you add that to 98. So in that case, your answer should be 31 plus 98, and your answer is 129 as the box. I believe it's clear now. Okay, so let's go to the last aspect. Where we are going to convert 4 digits to base 10. 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 So 4 digits to base 10. So if you are converting this to base 10, it's the same thing. So the 1 is in singles, the 2 is in fives, the 3 is in 5, which is 25, right? And the 4 is 425, 525, which is 125, right? So in that case, you have 4 groups of 125, 3 groups of 25, 2 groups of 5, then 1 single. So in that case, if you have that, you're going to add them up, and then you're going to get 5, 8, 1, 6, or 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1 base 10. So these are the trial works that you have to do, and then you let me have. We'll look at how to convert from base 10 to other bases later tomorrow. So this will be your trial work. So when you do it, you send it to my mail. Just try it using your own efforts, and let's see. That will be a feedback as to whether you understand what you have done or not. So try it out, and then let's discuss what we'll learn tomorrow. Is that fine? Those who did not do the first assignment, so yours will be 2. You do the 2 digits one, and then the trial work here. You do these 2 at the same time. So I'll send all to you right after the lesson, then you do. Any question? If there is no question, let's call our class today. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, so you can analyze it. Okay.